What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shreyas. In this video we are going to talk about road to 560 first, and then we are going to talk about the proper breathing technique. Now let me tell you a quick story guys, let me come a little bit closer to you. So in 2016 I traveled to Mumbai with my friends and I met a couple of subscribers there at a gym, and then we had a great workout. I deadlifted 185 kgs for 2 reps at a body weight of 88 kgs. This was in 2016. So just imagine if I was consistent for the next 2 years till today, what my strength gains might have been. I should be easily deadlifting 250 kgs, and this is what I believe, okay. But 2017 was a bad year for me in terms of lifting. I didn't go to the gym for the last 5 months or 4 months of the year, September, October, November, December. I didn't go to the gym, which pushed me back a lot, okay. My strength gains were going up, but after that, since I was not serious about my gains, I lost track, and that's how life is guys. So the road to 560 is a series where I'm trying to hit a total of 560 kgs on squat, bench and deadlift, and my goal for bench is 130 kgs because I'm keeping it realistic. My current 1 rep max is 112.5 to 115 kgs, so that is my goal for the next few weeks. And then for deadlift I want to do around 230 kgs. For squats I believe that my squat is really strong, so I do not know what my 1 rep max might be, but let's see, okay. So that is the thing, and I want to gain the right of calling myself a power lifter. I see so many people calling themselves power lifters and they can't even bench press 100 kgs. So you can't call yourself power lifter then, so I like to call myself a power lifter when I have that proper standard of lifting. So that is what my goal is with this series. Now I get a lot of messages on Instagram because I upload videos of my heavy lifting from the gym, and you all know I have not been going to the gym. So people are like, how have you gained that strength really fast? First thing would be muscle memory guys, because come on, I've been lifting for over 5 years easily, like consistently, other than the last year, 5 years consistently, and of course my body knows the proper movement pattern of squat, deadlift and bench, so it is easy for me to gain that back. Secondly, having a coach really helped because Pradeep has been helping me a lot in this gym. This is his facility. He's been helping me a lot with my movements. He's been noticing me carefully, correcting all my mistakes. Third thing is I've improved one thing properly, that is my breathing technique, and that is what I want to share with you all in this video. So guys, first you need to understand the two parts of an exercise, okay, the eccentric and the concentric. What is eccentric? Now let's say bicep curl, okay, this is the eccentric. You are lengthening your bicep muscle, okay. This is the eccentric. I know these terms are not necessary, but it is good that you understand this, okay. This is the eccentric, this is the concentric. On the squat, the eccentric is when you go down and concentric is when you come up. So when you flex your muscle, it is concentric. When you lengthen your muscle, it's the eccentric. Okay guys, so first I'll show you the wrong way to breathe, okay. Now the wrong way to breathe, let's say for bench press, is really simple. I see a lot of trainers telling their beginner students, I know beginners do not need to worry a lot about breathing, but in movements like bench press, squat, overhead press, right, it is really important to breathe because it is a compound movement, okay. The tighter your body is on a compound movement, the more weight you'll be able to lift and more safely as well, okay. So this is the wrong way. Now let's say I'm lying on a bench. This is the wrong way. When you breathe like that, as I'm doing this, just breathe like that, okay. Just try breathing like that. You will not feel tightness in any part of the body. You will feel very relaxed and loose, right. So what happens is with the barbell you can lift. When you lift heavier and heavier, you will not be able to stabilize your body. So stabilizing your body is really important when you do any movements. Now I watched a video on YouTube recently where a trainer is telling his students to hold the breath and do the reps, okay, like that is really dangerous guys. You never know, you might get a stroke as well, so be careful, don't do that. And on movements like bicep curls, where an isolation movement is taking place, only a joint involved is maybe a little bit of your shoulders and the main joint is elbows. In bicep curl, what is happening, you are curling the weight up, so only joint involved is your elbows. But still, if you want to get better at that movement, you can still breathe in the way I am going to tell. you can just breathe normally for the bicep curls, okay, because it is not a heavy movement anyway. Okay guys, now coming to the business side of the video that you all been waiting for. Okay, now I'll show you how to breathe properly. This is called the Valsalva maneuver, or this was named after a scientist called Antonio Valsalva. Okay, he's a scientist who learned all about the anatomy and stuff, and this is named after him. Let me tell you one thing guys, you just breathe like this, okay. I'm very fat at the moment, but still my midsection is very hard. Now the next step is breathe like that and try to bend. It will be really hard for you to bend. You'll feel like your lungs are getting separated when you try to bend. So what happens when you breathe like this is your whole midsection, your whole torso remains tight. So what happens when this remains tight is you get more stability, especially when deadlifting. I see a lot of people deadlifting, with rounded backs, and when they squat, the back is like this, rounded. So the reason for that is no proper tightness. To lift more weights, you need proper tightness. If you do not have tightness when you lift heavy weights, you will bend your back, you will get injuries, okay. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you all liked it. Do give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. Be safe in the gym guys. You safely also you can lift a lot of weight, okay. Just keep that in mind. If I can do it, even you can do it. I'll see you all in the next video. Please check my video on Friday. Really important for the channel. Not actually important for the channel, just important for me to get few views. Anyways guys, peace out. Goodbye.
एक घंटी बजाओ